Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to move a lasso selection in Photoshop. Let's begin. Go to File, Open, and open your any image or photo logo as you wish. I use this logo. Then right click. Right click. Then use lasso tool and example. I click lasso tool selections. Use this. Click Move tool. Simply click with cut and hold Alt click do not cut. And another way to press Ctrl J for duplicate layer, click Move tool, click the duplicate layer selection and drag move. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.